This is a tutorial for an improver's combination. It moves through a side climb, into a little cross-leg position, into a Martini sit, into a step out or a leg extension, depending on how high up you want to try it on the pole. So we talk about it just from standing at first. So if you're not so fluid in your side climbs yet, definitely just try it from standing and then take it up the pole when you're a little bit more confident. So I'm going to hook the inside leg. So imagine you've just done your side climb or you're just working from the floor. This outside leg is going to cross above the inside leg, just like this. So bend into it, squeeze with the inside knee and cross. So I'll just spin round. No, it's not letting me do that, so I'm just going to come from there. So if I can cross that leg over again, I'm just going to take my inside arm, and I'm going to go into a Martini sit. So I've gone from that position to that position. So it's the inside arm that comes off. So if we just go there again, cross, I take the elbow, uncross the legs, bring them together, knees are together like this, hand off, extend the outside leg, and then from there, both hands back on. You've got the option to either step out and do a little turn, or alternatively, if you're higher up the pole, then you can take an extension with the bottom leg and find a nice step out there. But you should definitely just consider how you're doing this. So if I just show you from the side a little bit, it might be easier. So if you go to there, you uncross, elbow, closer your elbow is to your knee, the easier this move is. Hold on, extend, hands back on. So if you feel a little bit confused with the arms, try it from the floor a few times first and then take it up the pole. So I'll show you that with the leg extension at the bottom from the side climb, and you can have a little go both ways. So nice big extension to bring you in, little side climb to there, bottom leg releases, it crosses over the top. You can take a nice little head roll there, uncross the legs, take the inside elbow on the knee, extend, hand back on. You can take the bottom leg down the pole and then find a way to step out. And that's your little combo for today. Have fun with it and try both sides.